So hello and welcome back to the channel. So in 2004, Hot Wheels launched a series called First Editions where they released 100 new castings, some of them being the first release of a particular model. And today I have a casting which has been kept sealed back uncarded for more than 21 years now, which is the 1969 Dodge Charger. So this is from 2004, and just for context what 21 years can do to an uncarded model, I'll link a picture here, you can see for yourself. And this looks brand new. So this was the first time Hot Wheels released the 1969 Dodge Charger, and back then it had an openable hood, and this casting has it as well. And I'll link the picture here of an opened hood. And this also had a Zamac model, which is even more valuable than this picture attached here. So talking about this particular one, this has a glossy black paint as well as a red stripe in the back with the old Hot Wheels logo on it. It looks nice, and I really like the silver frame tampo work here. It looks very cool. The base is chrome and plastic, which extends on the back and front as well. And it also has this little charger badging over here. The wheels for this casting is the 5-spoke wheel, which is also chromed out. So overall this looks like a proper old school Hot Wheels model, and it's very nice. And to be frank, I got this casting for around 700 rupees, which is not like a huge price for this particular model, which is this old. And generally old Hot Wheels cars are not that ultra rare or something like that. They are available, but it is still quite rare to own such a old car for yourself. But I really like the fact that this has been kept in this perfect condition, in a mint condition for this long. I don't know how many collectors and different people this particular card and the casting would have went through before it reached till me, and that is exactly why I am going to keep this card in this mint condition myself as well. So what do you guys think about this particular old card? Let me know in the comments below. And if whether you have an old card like this for yourself or a card even older than this, let me know in the comments. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.